It all started in March of 2020. You can imagine the shock of my family when we all learned that I had this stage 4 lung disease. My decision to participate in a clinical trial came as a result of my conversation with the oncologist. When they did the PET scan and identified the targeted area where my stage 4 lung disease is located, part of the challenge is in the African American community, we don't have a lot of data because many African Americans don't participate in clinical trials. So at that time, we had a conversation and they had some research studies underway, and he asked if I would be interested in participating in it, and I said yes. One of the things that I would love to share with the African American community, me being an African American woman, is how we respond, if you will, to health care. I know a lot of it has to do with trust, and believe me, I get that. But when you think about your health care, you read that in scripture, your body is your temple. It really is just that. So taking care of it and making sure that we find the right providers that can help us is very critical. One thing we have to remember is we are all dealt in a deck of cards, so to speak. The moment we come into this earth, we have cards, and within our deck, sometimes we're just dealt a bad hand, and we just have to decide how we're going to play the hand we've been dealt.